Hey guys, what's going on? This is Jason with Adventure Off-Road X. Just got a shipment today. It's the new addition to the Gladiator. So I'm going to do a little unboxing. So here's what I got, and I'll tell you a little about it. Okay, I said I'd do an unboxing, but unfortunately I had to open it while the delivery guy was here to make sure there was no damage to the edges. So I have here the aluminum GoMammut bunker series rooftop tent. We'll go ahead and open it up and see what we got here. So like I said, this is the GoMammut bunker series. I went with the black and gray, so it's a black rainfly gray tent. And the reason I also went with it, besides matching the black and gray on my Jeep, but it also matches the orange. So these come with the load bars already. You know, you don't have to purchase them separately. Just looking at it here, it's pretty nice. It's pretty nice. I cannot wait to have my friends come over and help me get it up here on the new smart cap. So I'm probably going to have to just go ahead, move the roof rack forward, put the tent on, put the roof rack in front, and go ahead and get my roam box up on the top. So yeah, I can't wait to see this. Alright, sorry guys about the noise in the background. Neighbor decided he's going to mow his lawn right now while I'm doing my video. So you have to, once you unbox it, you have to open the tent. What you'll find inside is the ladder. Comes in a nice ladder carrying case. Inside that case with the ladders where you'll find all your hardware. So all the things I was checking out already. So it's got the nice 3-inch memory foam. Still has the an anti-condensation mat underneath that. So I'm anxious to sit in this today. I can't wait to camp in it. So that's it right there. Well, that's the unboxing. I'll go ahead and I'll probably add the installation on this also, or at least what it looks like after it's installed. So alright, stay tuned. Okay guys, just an update here. First of all, it's over 100 degrees here in Florida, and I did not take it to the shop to do it because it was in my driveway. But I got it installed. I will do a better video of the of it already on there, kind of opening, closing, just so you can check it out. All right, enjoy your adventure.